If conditions permit G1 supports booting while sitting in a chair, first ensure that the G1 is sitting on a chair with arms and legs placed naturally. GG's. Oh my god, it happens here. Oh my god, it happens here. Oh my god, it happens here. Or should I got help? Okay. Just. Turn. Oh my god. This nigga heavy.
They said, come help you.
Bro, this nigga's heavy as shit.
X-Phantom. To Mafia.
W Phantom.
Yo.
Turn it this way. Turn his legs.
Hold on. What you gotta do?
Just turn his legs towards me better. In order for him to start up, he has to sit naturally in a chair.